Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown ReBuild. Coming up on KnockDown ReBuild, we can finally share with you the finished product as we get the keys to our brand new family home. Hello, hello.
11 o'clock on time, eh?
2 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty good for me.
Yeah.
Only 2 minutes late. Hi, Adam.
Hi,
I'd shake your hand, but...
Yeah, we can't, yeah.
Wow, this is exciting.
This is it. So,
You know when you've had a holiday booked for ages
Yeah.
and you finally get to the airport and you get that feeling of, holy crap, it's actually happening.
it's happening.
That's how
yeah.
I kind of feel right now.
Yeah. So that was the PCI. That went really well with Liz and Ryan. That's our practical completion inspection done. We're looking to hand over next Friday, all going well. They were very, very happy. So the house has come up really good. So no complaints.
All right, sorry for the delay.
No worries.
All right,
I got a smile. She said smile.
You've actually done a better job shaving this time.
We're rolling?
Yeah. Of course we are. This whole experience for me has been so much easier than I expected. Those forums are part of the reason that I wanted to document this journey.
Yeah.
Because when we were trying to do the research whether we should do something like this, it did feel really overwhelming and there was so much conflicting information. So that's the purpose of our KnockDown ReBuild journey for you. I think if anything as well, it's, heaven forbid, made our relationship more enjoyable during this last couple of months because we've had a goal to work together towards and an experience that we're building towards and like more purpose as a team. You hear about all these people who just fight while they're building.
We've had our ups and downs.
But we've overcome them.
Yeah. It's a relationship.
Oh, so lucky. Ryan, what's today?
Hand over.
We're getting the keys. Oh. What the hell? It just licked me.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Welcome.
I
Congratulations.
can't believe the day's finally here.
Yeah, it's handover.
So exciting.
This is Hayley, the BSc as well.
Hi,
Hi, how
Hayley.
you going?
Thanks so much for all your
Thank
correspondence.
you.
You're very welcome.
It's been so helpful.
Yeah.
Very welcome.
Well guys,
So this is it.
let's go in.
Perfect.
Awesome. You excited, Kit?
Woo!
Without further ado, I'll give you your house keys. So congratulations, I've
Thank
got one
you.
each.
Thank you.
All right.
Wow, that's crazy.
So this is it.
New house. Hey?
That's crazy.
Yeah. We're here 6 months
Finished.
later. Finished.
Good.
Yeah.
A natural disaster and a world global pandemic, and they still stayed on time. Pretty good.
And we'll get you in the
Thanks, mate.
over soon.
Yeah, sounds good. See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Another satisfied
Yeah,
customer?
yeah, yeah.
See you, buddy.
Bye. What a weird feeling.
We allowed in?
I guess so. It's our house.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
Now you can start setting things up.
All right.
And I won't get cranky at you.
stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something